heavy duty knee pads. These of course are wearable, but we have the foam block option for those of you who don't like wearing these around the job site. Kenny with rooferoutlet.com. Let's preserve some longevity, fellas, and protect those knees. Hope you're enjoying your spring break. Happy Passover, happy Easter. I'm a hockey guy, but
I'm a hockey man. I live to play hockey, I play hockey to live.
got the family over. The kids are waiting on me out back. They need a tendy, so of course I'm about to go stand on my head. Everything in one spot. Fast, easy shipping. And as always, skip the supply run. Let Kenny handle it. These kids have no clue what this netminder is all about.